From the uneasy calm settling over the U.S. banking sector to World Bank and IMF meetings in Washington. The banking sector will be tested as U.S. financials kick off their earnings season. The S&P 500 Bank Index is down 18% since early March, when troubles with Silicon Valley Bank became known. JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo report on April 14th, with Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and Bank of America due the week after. In Switzerland, Parliament will hold a special session starting Tuesday to debate government support and guarantees provided to secure UBS's takeover of Credit Suisse Group. It's expected to be heated. There are no expectations the deal will sink, but outlines of conditions may take shape. The government has had to shell out close to $280 billion of state funding and guarantees. After a decade under Haruhiko Kuroda, the Bank of Japan is getting a new governor, Kazuo Ueda. Winding down the hefty stimulus of his predecessor may prove challenging for Ueda. With inflation running well above 2% and salaries showing signs of catching up, investors are asking how long crisis-sized stimulus can remain. Oil prices surged after OPEC Plus announced output cuts in early April. The big question is, will prices keep rising, feeding higher inflation, or settle to balance the production cuts in a lackluster global economy? Investors are waiting on U.S. inflation data on April 12th to see if price rises have slowed enough to quell central banks' appetite for further rate rises. Policymakers and investors head to Washington for the World Bank and International Monetary Fund spring meetings starting Monday. High inflation and financial stability are top concerns. It will be the first meeting for Ajay Banga, the U.S. nominee to run the World Bank and sole contender for the job.